I've always been curious about how white-tailed deer survive through our tough Canadian winters. Every spring I'd put out cameras and check on my deer. Some years the spring would find them super skinny and other times super fit. I know in the fall deer can put on a lot of fat and they often put on a heavy winter coat. Big bucks, however, can lose a ton of weight during the rut, which I'm sure must have a big impact on their winter survival. Deer behavior and moving habits change drastically during winter. They become less active, and there's some debatable research that suggests that deer can cut their metabolic rate in half to conserve energy, a sort of semi-hibernation. True or not, I don't know, but like most animals, it's all about calories in versus calories burned in the winter. That's just basic survival. Deer can often hunker down for 2 or 3 days during really heavy winter storms, not eating or moving, and just burning fat reserves, which explains why they come out so thin during a brutal winter. Needless to say, this will also affect the survival rate of the fawns that the does are carrying. If you hike all year round and track deer, their winter moving habits are extremely localized and close, and their trails become superhighways as they try to conserve energy by using the same trails where the snow has been beaten down. On our food plot, the deer moved out close after the first snowfall, and we didn't see them all winter. They just completely disappeared. They moved to more sheltered areas like dense evergreen stands to rest and eat, and only traveling short distances to conserve energy. The snow-laden trees provide relief from the wind and cold, and also provide protection from coyotes. The best areas will have multi-directional escape routes as well. If you come across one of these deer yards, it will be trampled down like a cow field with a ton of traffic. The deer will gather together in that area. It's fascinating to come across a spot like this. Deer will graze on my food plot when there's no snow. They will dig through the snow if the calorie expenditure is worth it. But let's face it, deer are not like cows. They're not grazers. They're browsers like goats. So they will feed on twigs and stems and whatever they can get along the way while they're walking. In the winter, deer can't afford to be picky. They don't travel far, and they'll eat whatever they can get. Every winter, I wonder how the deer and other game animals are making out where I hunt. Like most hunters, we're deeply connected to the animals and care about their survival. I had 9 cameras out on our property this year, and I put out feeding stations in my food plot during the winter, and the deer never came handy to the place. They had left the area for the winter, and we never saw them again until March 29th, when this doe and her yearling showed up. Then the next day, more showed up. It was as if they were letting us know that winter was officially over, and I'm pretty sure that I heard one of them say, "Mister, get that clover and brassica planted, please. We're hungry." This is Luna with her yearlings, Frick and Frack. We watched them grow up last year and saw them numerous times while hunting. They look extremely healthy, and we couldn't be happier to see them return. Once the snow disappeared, deer were popping out everywhere. These images were all shot within 7 days of one another after our first thaw. It was so cool. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.